Okay, let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a famous person that you are interested in.
Yeah, I would like to meet many famous people in my life, but now I will talk about one of my favorite and famous personality. He's Feroz Khan. Nowadays, Feroz Khan is become very famous. He's a rising star, and he got millions of fans by his acting skills. Honestly speaking, I was not a huge fan of this kind of industry, like filming, drama, serial industry. But one day, my brother showed me a clip of his acting skills, so I saw, and I became fan of his acting. And by after that, I think I should research on him. So I researched about his personality and his real life on Google. So I read that he belonged to a very poor family. He was very an average student. So after completing his education, he traveled for to get a chance in film industry or drama serial. He moved from Lahore to Karachi to get a chance, and after lot of struggling and hard working, he got a chance, and nowadays he is very famous. So there are several reasons behind this why I like him so much. One of the major reason is the way he transformed his body fat to fit is really amazing. So by his high caliber acting, he can make anyone his fan.
Alright, overall it's good. Few minor grammatical mistakes related to tenses. Like you said, he get a chance. So it should have been he got a chance.
He got a chance.
Right? Or he was given a chance and all that. Okay, and then whenever you use one of the, after that you must use plural. For example, one of my friends, one of the cities, one of the languages, plural, okay? All right. What type of people are famous on social media?
I think on social media, like gorgeous peoples, they have camera personality picture that, like for example, when they took picture, it become viral by their personality because nowadays Instagram is very useful for everyone and it's very
Okay, the
famous in
topic is
youth.
not Instagram. The topic is type of people who are becoming famous these days. So you
Okay,
should
sorry.
focus only that very thing, okay? And focus your sentence structure as well. Let's move ahead. Would you like to become famous one day?
No, I honestly speaking, I don't want to become famous because I am extrovert person. So I don't like to
Introvert.
introvert person. So I don't like to make new friends by social media, or I don't want to become famous in future.
No, people will
No,
take selfies with you
no,
and
I don't want.
autograph. No?
No.
Okay. This is fine, but you'll have to work very hard with your speaking. Practice
Okay.
a lot, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.